Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I would like to present proposal draft. The title is Improving Students' Listening Skill by Using Audio-Visual Media at the 9th grade of SMPN 2 Batanghari by me, Ervina Meta Aprila. A background. Listening is an important part of foreign language learning that must be learned by students. Listening is a skill that students acquire first before they learn other skills. Listening can help students move from information they hear to relevant information they can listen to. Without listening, it will be a problem for students to express their language, especially spoken. So, students who learn English as a foreign language need to be skilled in listening to acquire good listening skills. Technology cannot be separate from society. Therefore, teachers need technology that is relevant to the teaching and learning situation. Language is considered as a tool and system used by people to communicate with others by using sounds, symbols, and words to express meaning, ideas, and truth. English as an international language is one of the most important languages that has a wide influence in human life. Besides, that it is used as a medium of information in the field of education, science, technology, and culture. Based on the background above, the writer takes the topic to find out the use of audiovisual as a medium to improve students' listening skill. The extent to which students' listening skills can be increased by using audiovisual media. B. Research problem. This study tries to determine the use of audiovisual as a medium to improve students' listening skill at the 9th grade of SMPN 2 Batanghari. The extent to which student listening skill can be increased by using audiovisual media. C. Research question. The research problem is based on the researcher's background. Then the research problem is formulated as follows. Number 1. How to improve listening skills in learning English through the use of audiovisual media. Number 2. How to use audiovisual media in learning English to improve listening skills. And number 3. What are the advantages of audiovisual as a medium for learning English to improve listening skills? D. Research methodology. This study used a qualitative design. Qualitative data collection methods are taken from the result of observations, questionnaires, results, field notes, and documentation. The design of the research is classroom action research. This classroom action research is designed to improve students' listening skill by using audio-visual media. In general, classroom action research in research conducted by teachers based on the problems encountered in teaching and the learning process carried out. The purpose of this classroom action research is to find a solution to the problems of the existing teaching and learning process so as to produce an improvement method to improve the quality of learning. Classroom action research consists of stages of preparation, observation, and reflection. This cycle can be stopped if the desired results have been obtained as stated by chemist and MC Tigard that classroom action research consists of a continuous cycle until the researchers achieve satisfactory results and feels confident to stop research activities. This study was designed in two cycles using audio-visual media to improve listening skill of English students in the classroom. The stage in this research in each cycle include planning, observation, and reflection. Research instrument. This research was carried out in several cycles. The stage in this research include planning, action, observation, and reflection. Number 1, planning. In this stage, everything that is needed in the teaching and learning process that will be carried out includes what, who, where, and how. The planning stage can be described as follows: determine the research schedule, design learning activities or lesson plan, prepare teaching material, and prepare observation sheets and student worksheets or tests. Number 2, action. The researchers as well as the teacher will take the following actions. Students are given clue about the material to be delivered. Students are divided into small groups and given the task to predict the contents of the lecture to be listened to or pre-listening tasks. Students are given the opportunity to listen to listening material through audiovisual media 2 times, and each student is given a worksheet about the material they will hear or while listening tasks. The students are divided into small groups to brainstorm on perceptions and interpretations of what they have listened to through the audio-visual media or post-listening tasks. In the final stage of students individually instructed to make a summary based on the result of interpretation and brainstorming in small groups. Number 3, observation. At this stage, the researchers observe first the activeness of students in group discussion and also the concentration and focus of students during listening activities with audio-visual media applied. Number 4, reflection. In the final stage of this cycle, the researchers collect student work in the form of worksheets and summary, then analyze the observation checklist and video recorder data to conclude the activities that occur in cycle 1. Then the researchers will discuss the improvement of planning based on the result of the analysis of observation, checklist, and student achievement in cycle 1 and design activities in cycle 2 when the indicators of success have not been achieved. Data collecting techniques. This classroom action research was carried out in 2 cycles with 2 face-to-face meetings in the class. This study aims to see the effect of using audio-visual media on students' listening skill in listening skills subject. Audio-visual use in the form of short scientific lectures on certain topic download from YouTube media. In general, the results of the study indicate that there is a positive influence from the use of audiovisual media on the result of students' listening comprehension. In 2 cycles, the use of audiovisual media has been shown to increase students' focus and concentration, which is always a problem when only used in audio form. With the use of audiovisual media, students' focus and concentration increase because video media is able to provide focus so that students concentrate more on stage while listening. In addition, the collaborative learning method applied at the post-listening stage is able to motivate students to improve their understanding of listening comprehension. It was also found that the choice of topic or material also affected the result of students' listening comprehension. This research was conducted in 2 cycles with 1 meeting for each cycle due time constraints. This research was conducted in A. Cycle 1, Planning Action Stage, Observation Phase, Reflection Phase, and B. Cycle 2, Planning Action Stage, Observation Phase, Reflection Phase. And G. Data analysis. Data processing in this study was carried out by 1. Document study, number 2. Interview, number 3. Discussion, and number 4. Observation. Okay, thank you. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.